Hi guys, I'm gonna show you how to check if iPhone's display is original or not. For that, we need to start by going in Settings and selecting General tab. After that, make sure to find About section and tap it. So pay attention to the top of the screen. If your iPhone uses a non-original display, a notice will appear here warning that the display cannot be confirmed as an original Apple display. It may look like unknown part or another similar message, for example. If there is no warning, like in my case, it indicates that the display is probably original. However, to be 100% sure, check the serial number of the display via the manufacturer's official website or contact an Apple Authorized Service Center for further verification. And that's it for today. If this video was helpful, please subscribe, like, and comment. And I wish you all the best. Bye bye.